Keeping track of employee time off can be a big headache for teams and managers. Some people still use spreadsheets or chat messages, but that easily becomes messy, inaccurate, and slow. This is why many companies now use a leave tracking app to manage paid time off, sick days, vacation, and other types of leave. One popular solution that many teams are talking about is Day Off app. In this video, we will review this app in a simple way and explain what it does, how it works, and whether it is a good choice for your team or business. Day Off app is designed to do one simple but important things, and that is help teams to request, approve, and track the time off without any confusion. Many people switch to a leave tracking app because manual tracking creates errors, delays, and misunderstanding. Day Off app aims to replace old spreadsheets, email threads, and guesswork with a clear system that shows who is off, when they are off, and how much leave each person has left. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. In today's video, we will review the Day Off app, explore the feature, explain the real pricing, and talk about the possible hidden cost so you know what to expect. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try the Day Off app for your team. By using the description link, any available free trial and special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about what the Day Off app does. At its core, this tool help teams to manage the paid time off, sick leave, vacation, and custom leave types in one place. Employee can submit the leave request from their phone or computer, and managers can approve or reject them with just a click. Once a request is approved, the system updates everyone's leave balance, so there are no more manual calculation or guesswork. This creates transparent process where employees can see their leave balance anytime and managers don't have to chase people for the information. One of the nice part of this app is simplicity. Many users say it is easy to use and they are able to switch from a spreadsheet to this app without much training. The calendar view makes it very easy to see who is off on which days, and which helps teams to plan the projects and avoid staffing conflicts. Some reviews mention that this app solves communication gaps and saves the time compared to old manual systems. Day Off also integrates with tools you may already use. For example, it can sync approved time off with your Google Calendar and Outlook calendar, so meeting and deadlines reflect real availability. And it also works with communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, which means employees can request leave or get the notification right inside the chat apps they use every day. This app supports different leave types and can be customized based on your company's rule. Whether you need vacation time, sick leave, study leave, or any other category, you can define this inside the app. You can also set the policies like accrual rules, carryover, and special conditions, which helps keep things clear and consistent for everyone. Now let's talk about the pricing. Day Off app offers a free plan that is often enough for the small teams. The free option lets you manage the basic leave requests and approvals, or the view calendars and track the balances without paying. This is great if you are just starting or have a small group and don't need the advanced features. When your team grows or you need more advanced controls, there is a paid plan that costs a small amount per user per month. This unlocks features like multiple approvers, support for the teams and location, and deeper integrations. The pricing is straightforward with no setup fees and scale with your organization, which makes it easier to predict the cost compared to some tools that hide the charges in complicated tiers. It is important to understand that some users have reported occasional issues with this app, such as the calendar formats or minor errors in some views. Like any software, not everything is perfect. and some teams may face small issues. But overall, many people find the tool reliable and easy to use for managing leave requests and calendars. So, who is the day off app for? If you run a small or medium sized team and want to replace the spreadsheet, chats, or manual logs with a simple, clear system, this app can be a great option for them. It is especially helpful for teams who need visibility into leave schedule, approval workflows, and automatic balance tracking. If you work with larger international teams with very complex labor rules, you may need a more advanced HR system, but for many teams, this app hits the sweet spot of simplicity and the function. So to wrap it up, the day off app is a very straightforward and helpful tool for PTO and the leave tracking. It makes the process easier for employees and managers, offers useful integrations, and has the flexibility. And the pricing is also flexible, that can help you to start with a free option. If you want a simple and organized way to handle time off without spreadsheets, then this app is worth to testing. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand better now. If this video helped you to understand the day off app better, give the video a like and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more honest videos like this and for simple tech tips. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.